Hey guys, welcome back. June 29th. Are you ready to trade? I am. So I'm sure the first thing that you'll notice is that I've set up a new paper trade account, and that is for reasons that I explained in the last video that I uploaded. So I decided to go with a $50,000 account. I thought that would be an interesting size account to trade. One thing I do want to mention is that I'm going to be trading exactly the same way that I did with the $10,000 account, only everything is just going to be multiplied by 5. So just make sure you watch the contract size. I'm going to be buying and selling uh, bigger lots of contracts. So just make sure that you buy and sell contract sizes that are appropriate for the account. So this is a $50,000 account, so I'll be multiplying everything by 5. So let's take a look at the stock market. The futures are up. They were kind of flat throughout the night, but they've gone up in the last 30 minutes or so. So it could be a bit of a mild day. It could be a bullish day. Not too sure. The futures aren't really that strong right now, so it might not be a whole lot of action today. So, in terms of the first trade that I'm going to take with this paper account, I want to look at Zoom. Zoom, the ticker symbol is ZM, not Zoom. Zoom is the video communications platform, and I know, John, you've been telling me about this. Zoom, 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 Zoom. The reason why I haven't traded it, or I've been reluctant to trade it till now, is because if you take a look at the options for Zoom, there isn't a whole lot of open interest for these options. I think Zoom IPO'd a few months ago. They IPO'd this year, if I'm not mistaken. So the options market isn't super developed yet. But I am seeing some options with some open interest that are over 1,000, and that's good because we want to be able to get in and out of trades very easily. And if there isn't a lot of open interest for a particular option, it means it's very illiquid, and it can be hard to get in and out of the market at a good price. So I have been looking at Zoom, but there hasn't been a whole lot of options trading on this stock until recently. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take a long call position on Zoom. I'm looking at the July 17th, the 260 call. I don't want to do a spread because of the open interest factor that I just mentioned before. Two options are harder. It's a harder position to get out of than a single option position. So I'm looking at the 260 call, and I'm going to get 2 of them to start. I want to leave room in case I have to double down or make an adjustment to this trade. It's an expensive option too. It's 1410, which is, to get 2 of them, that's 2,800. I think the mid price is around $13.90. Should be able to get something close to that, $13.90, when the market opens. Zoom hasn't really changed that much in the pre-market, so I think that should be a good reflection of the price I'll be able to get. So that's the first trade that I'm going to take on this new paper trading account. Very, very exciting. This is going to be interesting. So, Zoom, July 17th, 260 call. That's what I'm doing.